are bulbs. Those little bundles of potential promising a riot of colour after a long winter. But I often see gardeners making simple mistakes, ending up with disappointing results. Today, we're uncovering the 7 deadly sins of planting bulbs, so you can avoid them and enjoy a vibrant, blooming garden. The first sin is planting bulbs too shallow or too deep. This common mistake can lead to poor growth and disappointing blooms. Aim for a depth of 2 to 3 times the height of the bulb. This ensures they have enough soil to support their growth. Too shallow, and they might freeze or dry out. Shallow planting exposes bulbs to harsh weather conditions. Too deep, and they might not push through the soil. Deep planting can exhaust the bulb's energy reserves. Use your trowel to measure the depth accurately. Consistency is key to successful planting. Different bulbs have different preferences, so check the packet instructions. Following these guidelines can make a big difference. Daffodils like to be deeper than tulips. Each type of bulb has its own ideal depth for optimal growth. No more guesswork, just confident planting. With the right depth, your garden will thrive and bloom beautifully. The second sin is ignoring soil drainage. Bulbs detest sitting in waterlogged soil, leading to rot. Choose your planting site wisely and avoid areas where water pools. Improve drainage by adding grit or gravel to the planting hole. Consider creating a raised bed if your soil is heavy. The third sin is planting bulbs upside down. This common mistake can hinder the growth of your plants and lead to disappointing results. Look for the pointy end, that's the top. This is where the shoot will emerge, reaching for the sunlight. The flatter end with roots is the bottom. This is where the roots will grow, anchoring the plant and absorbing nutrients. Roll the bulb gently between your fingers to find the top. This simple step ensures you plant it correctly. Think of it like planting a tree. Bulbs deserve the same respect. Proper orientation is crucial for healthy growth. Plant them right side up for the best results. This will give your bulbs the best chance to thrive and bloom beautifully. Sin number 4 is forgetting to water after planting. A good soaking helps settle the soil and encourages root growth. Think of it as a welcoming drink for the bulbs. Give them a proper drink, enough to reach the bulb's depth. Check on them weekly if the weather is dry. Sin number 5 is crowding the bulbs. Bulbs need space to grow, just like people. Planting too close leads to weaker plants and smaller flowers. Space bulbs about 2 to 3 times their width apart. This allows them to develop strong root systems. Avoid fungal diseases by ensuring good air circulation. Sin number 6 is not preparing the soil properly. This is a crucial step that many gardeners overlook. Loosen the soil to a depth of at least 12 inches. This ensures that the roots can penetrate deeply and access vital nutrients. Incorporate organic matter like well-rotted manure or compost. This enriches the soil, improving its structure and fertility. This provides essential nutrients for healthy growth. Plants thrive in nutrient-rich environments. Add horticultural grit to the bottom of the planting hole for better drainage. Proper drainage prevents waterlogging and root rot. A good foundation is key to thriving bulbs. Well-prepared soil sets the stage for a beautiful and productive garden. The final sin is overlooking pests and wildlife. Squirrels, mice, and even cats love bulbs. Use wire mesh or baskets to protect your bulbs. Deterrents like garlic spray or human hair can help. Be vigilant and take action if you spot any trouble. There you have it, the 7 deadly sins of planting bulbs. Avoid these mistakes for a spectacular display. With a little care, bulbs will reward you with beautiful blooms. Your garden will be a vibrant tapestry of colour. Happy planting.